Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Jowai Civil Hospital Blood Center haringkat ka Jengatre Langka Woodland WK Hospital Sabak Muswang West Janda Hills District da kabayas nok tilang bat kari barok kawe kala Pynlong ya ka blood donor drive ha Jowai Civil Hospital ha kasngit sajan la Pynlong ru ya kani ka jeng ice nam sngopa halor kapang donate blood and be the reason for someone existent ha ka jeng don lang utre lang suchang MDC Shangpung bat kiwe Uba tre lang sucheng haba ay jingkren, ula penchlor yaki weru banwan shakman, ban aisnam, namar ka jing aisnam ka penim yaki mensi mbakordor. Ka Dr. P. Shela in charge Jowai Civil Hospital Blood Center, kalaong baka ni kasngi kadai kabadon kambha, nagbanta ki blood bank hakaleng kari India. Bad haka jo ko por la Pynlong ka jing aisnam sngopa. Ka Dr. Shela kalapan pau ka jing sngongo yak Woodland Hospital ka seng samla balang Catholic mi mentdu ka jing seng samla balang Presbyterian Jowai kibalayas nok tilang bat ka blood bank ban Pynlong yak ni kasngi ka bajam. Shushu ka Dr. Shela kalapan tip bakinu kinu kibriu kibakot bakhya kibadon khat pra hadu enru postnem ka karta kilaban wan ice nam snobha. Bat kabadon kam kalong bandan ya ke jingkia kaba 100% kilo shaneng. Bat kibadon ya ke hemoglobin level kaba omduna ya ka khat R.san hakas nam jongki. Hagani kasngi la yoru ya ke jingkren Lincoln na medical superintendent ka Woodland WK Hospital u Dr. Didas UF Senna Chairman Seng Samla Balang Catholic mi mentdu. Hagani kasngi lawan baneshim benta hadu lai paungut kibawan aisnam. Bat na pedeng kini la jiet arpo nyongun kentop arpo wengut ki shenrang bat henry ngut ki kentay.
And to see that you are supporting us at each and every step that we take, you are always there. This day is the day, a very important day for the blood bank. Across India, each and every blood bank is holding a voluntary blood donation camp right at this moment. Our motto, the desire of the health ministry is that we all conduct a voluntary blood donation camp on the same day to be able to come to the motto of one nation, one platform. The government of India has initiated a program that is, we all have heard what is known as the Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav. Under this, the Ministry of India, the Health Ministry of India has initiated a voluntary blood donation drive which is launched across India this day, the 17th of September. And this drive will be till the 1st of October. And the 1st of October is also known as the National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. And I'm very, very happy. And I cannot express my appreciation to the Woodland Hospital together with the Seng Samla Balang Catholic mi mentdu and also the Seng Samla Presbyterian Church Jowai and also the JYF for joining hands to enable our blood bank to have this program today together with the whole of India. Depleting the excess iron from your body. So by donating blood, we're not losing anything. In fact, we are getting a good health. We're getting a benefit out of it. And a male and female can donate blood when he reaches 18 to still 60 years of age. And the body weight has to be 45 kgs above. Hemoglobin has to be more than 12.5 milligram percent. And in an adult body, an adult who has 45 kgs above will have a blood volume of 5 to 6 liters. On donation, we take 350 ml. So we understand out of that 5 to 6 liters, on donation, is only 350 ml that will be taken out from the body. And when you give blood, on the very same day, the volume will come back, while the cells will take immediately replace. So there's nothing that will affect or will make you weak or will make you compromise with your health. Okay. Then, so when we take the blood from a donor, what we do is that we test. We have to make sure that it is free from all the diseases. In all the blood bank across India, there are 5 tests that is being done on each and every single unit of blood. These tests are the malaria, syphilis, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and HIV. Okay. After the blood unit has passed all these tests, then we store it at a temperature of 2 to 6 degrees centigrade. And the shelf life of blood taken from a donor's blood is 35 days. Okay?
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.